Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repost videos on TikTok. We start by entering the TikTok that we want to share on our account. Next, we click on the share icon below and then on the repost option. After this, if we go to our profile and enter the repost category, we will be able to see those videos from other users that we have shared as a repost. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.